Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here showing you the new releases that will be available starting October 7th at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I am really excited about this month's releases. One of them is a revamp of an old kit. The other is a brand new kit. And then I have a couple little minis to show you as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the new kit. This is available both digitally and as physical items. So we have the bullet journal kit, which is the standard 5 pages. You can get it as a full kit, which is the 5 pages. You can get it as a mini kit, which is the first 3 pages, or you can get any one of these a la carte. So let's start with the bullet journal kit. We have the monthly headers for the Explore theme. We have the weekly headers for the Explore theme. The decorative art. We have the banners. And then we have the washi strips at the bottom. So again, 5 pages is a full kit. 3 pages is a mini kit, or you can get each one of these individually. Moving on, we have the weekly kits, which is for pre-printed planners. So we have a mini kit, which is the 3 pages, or you can get each one of these individually. So we have the full boxes and some blank headers down here. We have your full, your half boxes, an extra full box, habit trackers, and then the date headers over here, and some additional blank headers down there. And then we have the washi, the glitter border. We have like any daily tracker that you want to do over here. We have the glitter headers, and then the icons weekend banner, and then a little book. So that is the 3-page weekly kit. And then we have the journaling kit. So we have this as a mini kit, or it is available each page individually. So we have the weekly with some arrows and some additional boxes. We have the decorative art page, which is just, like it says, a lot of journaling type art. And then we also have the quote page. So it has some additional boxes and the quote, "Never lose your sense of wonder," along with a bottom washi over here. So that is the journaling kit, again, available as a mini kit or each page individually. So that is the Explore theme, available physical or digitally. And then we have the Cozy Fall revamp. This was the pie kit from a really long time ago. really long time ago. So let's start with the bullet journal. Again, 5 pages is your full kit. 3 pages is your mini kit, or you can get each individually. So we have the monthly headers here. We have the weekly headers. We have the decorative art. We have the banners. And then we have the washi tape. I love this freaking washi tape down here. And then we have the washi tape. So that is the bullet journal kit. We have the weekly kit. Same thing, 3 pages. You can get it as a mini kit or individually. We have the full boxes with a quote. We have the quarter boxes, half boxes. I'm not good at this. We have the habit trackers and your headers down here. And then we have the washi glitter, the icons, and then glitter headers and everything else right there. So that is the Cozy Fall weekly kits. And then we have the Cozy Fall journaling kit. Same situation. 3 pages for a mini kit or each individually. We have the date headers with arrows and boxes. We have the decorative art page. And then we also have the quote page. So I have It's Hot Chocolate Season and Pumpkin Spice Life down here with some additional boxes and deco. So that is the Cozy Fall revamp. Again, this was a kit that I did a long time ago that really needed a facelift. So really excited about that. And then we have 4 different mini sheets. I only have 2 of them here. We have the Cauldron minis, and then we have the Cauldron minis with the numbers on them. They have white numbers on them. I didn't print and cut it because I am in the middle of 1,000 things getting ready for Black Friday. So I didn't cut it. But we have the mini Cauldrons with numbers. And then we have the fall leaves with numbers and then without numbers, same as the Cauldron. So little minis with numbers and without numbers. So those are all the new releases coming in October. You'll see that I have not been doing the stencils, and that's because I am rolling back on the plastic stencils and moving only towards the metal stencils. It's just not sustainable for me personally to be able to do that. That's the same reason why all of my physical stickers are going away starting in the new year. So if you do want stickers print and cut for you, now is the time to get them, because November 11th, no more physical stickers will be available in my store ever again. They are only going to be digital downloads. The Black Friday sale is on October 28th. And again, my store will shut down November 11th. For all physical items, you'll only be able to get digital downloads from there. The only thing that I will have that's physical items going forward is the stencils, the metal stencils. All of the plastic stencils will be taken off. All of the physical stickers will be taken off. And 2024, it's just ready to ship items and digital downloads. So that is what's going to be sustainable for me. And hopefully it is going to help a lot of people, specifically international folks, where the price of shipping items has just been astronomical. And the stencils, there's not much I can do about. I do have an inventory of stencils, so I'm going to keep those in the shop. And that those shipping and tracking rates are going to stay the same. But for stickers, you'll be able to now download them and print them and cut them yourselves. So I hope that is going to help a lot of people with money in their pockets to make things a little bit more sustainable for them. And you can reuse them over and over and over again, which will be wonderful for you. So that is the deal going forward. This is a new release starting on October 7th, and then we'll have the Black Friday sale on October 28th. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Have a great one. Bye.